it. I stole a heart then left it to break right on the floor. Regret has left me totally undone. Well, hope this helps someone. I thought I held the power, but that theory has soured. I soon learned that power can bring you to your knees when it's used against the ones you love. Well, hope this helps someone. Take it from me, if you're trying to survive. Take it from me, truth comes out in the light. The heaviness I'm feeling, that's stealing my joy now, could all have been avoided if I'd been a better soul. Don't do like I've done, 'cause it ain't fun. Well, hope this helps someone. So take it from me, if you're trying to survive. Take it from me, truth comes out in the light. So choose to be respectful and helpful and honest. Choose to leave your ego and your pride outside the door. Otherwise you'll hate